This is our 20K Kelso. 20K Kelso. George Neal. 20K Kelso po. From George Neal. Ganda po ng buntot. Hanggang lupa na yan. Corn yellow feet. George Neal Kelso. George Neal. PJ Gallos. This is the Albany that we have. The Albany we got was from Darrell Caldwell. This is also Dink's Albany. There it goes, there. We bought a imported Albany from Darrell Caldwell from Tulsa, Oklahoma. There. Albany. For Mr. PJ Gallos. Benjor Oralde. This is the Harold Brown Gray. It's a regular gray from Harold Brown. That's for you, sir. Ganda na po yung station. Oh, makapal yung buntot. Ang haba. Hanggang lupa na. Oh. Sayad na sa lupa. This is for you, Benjor Oralde po. Super red eyes po yan. Oh. Harold Brown Gray. Reynaldo Mapalo. This is a bad cat sweater from Dink po ito, yung parents niya. Bad cat sweater po yan. Yan. Haba ng buntot, white streamer, pongkan, high station. Yan po, bad cat sweater from Dink Fair. Yan, balansyado siya. Yan, tama lang po. Reynaldo Mapalo. This is the Cardinal Kelso from Just Farm po. Reynaldo Magpalo. Yan. High station din po siya. Ang ganda ng tayo. Cardinal Kelso. Reynaldo Mapalo. This is a rat graves McLean hat po. Really beautiful bird. McLean hats from rat graves. Really good looking bird. High action McLean. There. Mr. Reynaldo Mapalo. This is a lacy roundhead po. Lacy roundhead. Mr. Mapalo, Reynaldo Mapalo. That's the roundhead po. There. Okay. Mr. Dens Camong. This is the pure lemon that we are shipping to you this coming Saturday. There he goes. There he is. One of the best looking Ducalci lemon that we have. His wing band is 317 and the leg band is 496. Ducalci lemon for Dens Camu. There you go, Dens. Good looking lemon. Legaspi bound. Emilio M. Eric. Emilio. This is a Joe Sanford sweater po. Very good looking chicken. Really beautiful. Ganda po yan. Joe Sanford sweater for Emilio M. Eric. This is the sweater we selected for you, sir. Emilio M. Eric. Joe Sanford Sweater. Eugene Waidio. This is our personal Duke Halsey Gray broodcock. There he is. The Duke Halsey Hatch Gray. His leg band number is 18. 1-8. For Mr. Eugene Waidio, the Duke Halsey Hatch Gray. Mr. Eugene Waidio, this is our pumpkin sweater. There's a PJ Gallos. This is the Albany that we have. The Albany we got was from Darrell Caldwell. This is also Dink's Albany. There it goes, there. We bought a imported Albany from Darrell Caldwell from Tulsa, Oklahoma. There. Albany for Mr. PJ Gallos. PJ Gallos, this is another this is a Dink Fair Kelso po. Dink Fair Kelso. Yan po, high station. Maganda po yung balance, mahaba yung buntot, very thick. Red eyes. This is a Dink Fair Kelso, sir. Old time. PJ Gallos.